It's actually really confusing to figure out the transportation here in Skopje, the public transportation. First, there are many private providers, so it's confusing which bus to take. But what we figured out now is that near the center, there's a bus stop. There's a central bus stop, and there will be shops like these. Right now, this one is closed, but yeah, if we would have happened to come by timings provided here, it's actually not written either in English. So yeah, but yeah, if you go directly to the bus that you want to take, then per ride, like from any point to any point, will be 50 dinars. And if you buy a Shopska card, which is like a travel card for, I'm not yet sure at this point if it is just for Skopje or whole of North Macedonia, but it's popularly used at least in Skopje. So if you buy that card, then every ride from any point to any point will cost you just 25 dinars. There is one more option, which is like there's one more option which is like 100 dinars, but you can take any number of buses that day. So 100 dinars is like 1.5 euro. I think that's the best option, but we still have to figure out at some office point. This was what a local told us and advised us to buy. But the shops are closed right now, so we still are trying to figure out what to do.
Online the 10 tickets 250 dinars.
Perfect. So we can apparently also take the same card online. So 10 rides is equals to 250 dinars, right? Which is around what, 4 euros? Yeah. Perfect. So we found
Weekly
it.
ticket 500 dinars.
Okay. So we figured that out. After a lot of headache, we finally figured out the city transportation in Skopje. There are many private buses here, so it's sort of confusing. And also, like if you take one ride like from point A to point B, then it will cost you 50 dinars. If you take it in the bus, 50 dinars is nearly 1 euro. But if you come to one of such like weird offices, it's actually a office, transportation office. This is right in the central bus stop, very close by to our Airbnb. Here you can take either a Shopska card or a day ticket. Like since we are here only for the 2 days, the ideal case for us is day ticket, which will cost us 120 dinar, which is 2 euros, but unlimited rides throughout the day. But it will start in the day and end at the night. So tomorrow we have to take this again. And there is one more option which is called Shopska card. The card itself will cost you around 2 euros, but then you can keep topping it up. And if you take the card, then every ride will cost you 35 dinar, which is like 50 cents. So which is also a good deal if you are staying for the longer time. If you are staying for 2 or 3 days, best case scenario is these day tickets. Can you show them? Yeah, so this is how the day ticket looks like, 120 dinar. Like we have taken two, one for him and one for me. Also with these day tickets you can also go to the day trips of Matka Canyon and Millennium Cross. They both are so beautiful. I have seen like so much content on them and I really wanted to visit them, but it's raining cats and dogs today, so we have changed our plans. We'll just be going around the city and exploring this much better. But do not miss Matka Canyon for sure. I'm not very sure how the Millennium Cross is, but in the Millennium Cross there is like one of the biggest like cross on that mountain top, and also the cable car will be of 8 minutes one side, and the cable car is also like around 2 euros, so it's not expensive at all. But I think yeah, and it's also around 5 kilometers away from the Skopje city, whereas Matka Canyon, it is around 17 kilometers away from the city. You can take the bus line 60, so with of course day ticket. So if you take it, then it is free. If you have a day ticket, you have a free ride to the Matka Canyon. But there is also a twist that you have to walk around 1.5 kilometer one way. So it will be 3 kilometers total walk, and it is also slightly steep. So if you have like really young toddlers, or if you have like a like what is it in which babies sit and parents push, I don't know. So if you're handling that, then probably it's not a good idea. It's also not such a good idea if you're going with elders. So otherwise it's very doable, and you can do kayaking there. You can go for a boat ride. There's also like a Vero cave there, Vero or Verlo cave, which is one of the biggest underwater cave in the world. But the twist is it is also quite steep. Like there will be steps. It's not unsafe, but it is steep. So only people who can do it, please go. The boat ride to the cave everything will cost you around 15 euros. But if you are just taking a boat ride in the canyon, then it is around 5 or 6 euros, and it is so beautiful, so beautiful. I'll just add photos for you because I'm so sad that I missed it, but I'll be coming back for sure. So now let's explore Skopje with the day ticket, and let's see what we can see here in 2 days.